air up to a small chamber where I talked to Dr. Jewel Barlow.
That can create wind speeds right here up to 230 miles an hour.
Yeah, you heard that right.
Relative to hurricanes, what we do is test devices that are exposed to winds up to hurricane speed.
But today, that test subject is me. And first you gotta harness up, then you actually hook in.
This is not the smartest thing I've ever done.
The large engine starts with an ominous...
Yeah, there it is.
And then you feel the wind. It slowly ramps up. Around 40 miles an hour, those harnesses start to come in handy. I was in tropical storm speed winds. So I said faster. It gets up to 70 miles an hour. This is now Category 1 hurricane force winds. Faster, I said. As it passed 80 miles an hour, I couldn't hold my feet. And by 90 miles an hour, my face started to flap in the breeze. The tunnel moved into a Category 2 hurricane. And when it finally got to 100 miles an hour, I had enough. Woo. Apparently everyone has the same reaction. Dr. Barlow says there's only one thing that varies.
At what wind speed your ears start flapping like a flag?
100 miles an hour.
Yeah, that was an incredible story, huh? I mean, it's scary to feel that wind and probably hard to breathe too when it's blowing right on your face. So very interesting story. And this storm is way above what we saw in that story and what he could handle. We're going to get right into Dorian coming up, but check out the temperature out the door. It's a comfy night out there, 75, a little humid though, but it's still technically summer. However, meteorological fall just started. That's September. That's when it kicks off. Temperatures region-wide into the 70s, so it's a warm one out there. Some of us, the western suburbs, could drop into the upper 60s, maybe mid 60s, but most of us in the low 70s tonight. We're watching a few light showers, especially out near I-81. Frederick, Hagerstown reporting just a few showers here and there, but that's about it. We can't rule out an isolated shower tonight, and then tomorrow, it's Labor Day. Can you believe it? The unofficial end to summer is here. It's a holiday. Hopefully you have the day off. A few scattered storms possible in the afternoon, a high of 88, so a summer-like day through the afternoon. And then look at this big drop. We go from 92 Wednesday down into the 70s Thursday and Friday, but it comes at a price. Now, why is the temperature dropping? This is why. Hurricane Dorian will actually throw some impacts our way. Here's the latest information. It has weakened a little bit. Still a Category 5, winds of 180, gusting to 220. It's going right over Freeport as we head through tonight, and then it's expected to hook north. That's still in the forecast, but the National Weather Service has now extended hurricane watches all the way up to Jacksonville, the coastline up to Georgia. So we're watching this, and this is just way too close as a Category 4. This is still going to throw hurricane impacts well inland across Florida, maybe even Georgia and the Carolinas. Look at the cone of uncertainty covering Delmarva, and it goes all the way out to sea too. By the end of next week, a Category 1 could be just off of our coast, and that's close enough to bring some strong winds to our immediate coastline. So here's the probability of tropical storm force winds occurring. Almost 100% in Florida. For us, though, we're looking at chances around 30 to 40% in Ocean City, even higher down towards Virginia Beach. So the probability of tropical storm force winds going up a little bit here for our coast. Tonight, though, not that bad, upper 60s and low 60s here as we head into Monday morning, your holiday, mostly cloudy early, starting in the 70s as we head through the afternoon, 85 to 90 degrees, partly to mostly sunny, but there could be some strong storms late. Here's a quick look at Futurecast showing a little bit of cloud cover early and then some storms swinging through in the afternoon. A quick look at your 7-day forecast does show the influence of Dorian towards the end of the week and then a great weekend after that. You're watching WUSA 9. We'll be right back.
We have families that have needs, and sometimes they can't always get the things they want for themselves. And so this is definitely that added cushion for us and make sure that no child goes without. So we're very thankful.
Hurry! The last of the 2019s are disappearing fast during the summer sales event at Sheehy. Get special Labor Day pricing up front on the Mid-Atlantic's largest selection of 2019 models with easy price. Sheehy.com.
Most people think a button is just a button. That a speaker is just a speaker.